everyone, and welcome back to Hello Hi for another great recipe. Now, yes, you got that right. I am running this gummy video back, but this time I am making it with 4 ingredients. Now, I know a lot of you guys saw my gummy video from about 2 years ago, and that video did amazing. I think I had over 1 million views on that video. But unfortunately, I can't let it sit on YouTube. So if you want to catch that video, you have to go to my Patreon page and check that video out and become a member, or you can purchase the video individually. But that gummy recipe is straight to the point, and I want to make this video the same. And for this recipe, the infusion I use is sugar, and I use the HelloHi Ultra Infuser to make the tincture. And you can pick one of these up on Amazon.com or HelloHiCooks.com, and I'll make sure I leave both of those links below. I use this to make all of my infusions, my oils, my butters, my tinctures, and even my honey. So pick one of those up, and you won't be disappointed. It makes from either 1 cup to 3 cups of whatever you're infusing. So if you are ready for this new gummy recipe with these 4 ingredients, let's get started.
Now for this recipe, you'll need corn syrup, 1 pack of Kool-Aide, 3 packs of gelatin, and that good old sugar. Now this is the sugar I made with my HelloHi Ultra Infuser, and if you haven't seen my sugar video, I'll leave that link below, or you can go in the Essentials playlist and find the video there. Now for this video, I use unsweetened black cherry Kool-Aide. Now I know a lot of you hate using Kool-Aide for gummies, but the flavor in regular juice is just not strong enough to mask the taste. Now the Kool-Aide also gives gummies a more vibrant color than the regular juice as well. Add 1 pack of Kool-Aide to the glass and then add 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of that good sugar, and stir for a couple minutes until combined. Now, before I put the liquid on the stove, I need to bloom the gelatin. So in a small bowl, I added 3 packs of gelatin and poured a 1/4 cup of the Kool-Aide on top and stirred for a few seconds and then set it aside. Then add the remaining Kool-Aide to a small sauce pot, 2 tablespoons of that sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of the corn syrup, and turn the heat on medium and stir until combined. Now bring the mixture to a steady boil and stir consistently for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now you want the temperature to ultimately reach 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. So you may need to raise the temperature after about 5 minutes, but remember not to burn it. Now I'm using the HelloHi silicone spoon from the 5-piece spatula set. Now you can find these on Amazon or the HelloHiCooks.com website. Now these are great for stirring sauces or just about mixing anything in a bowl. So make sure you click one of the links in the description box below to purchase a set. I offer 2 different types of candy molds on the HelloHiCooks.com website. This green candy mold makes fun square pieces and has cute 420 theme pieces. And this red mold is the one I'm using today for my gummies. Now this mold comes in a 2-pack and it has a total of 40 leaf cavities. Now after my mixture reached 110 degrees, I added the bloom gelatin and stirred really fast for about 10 minutes on low heat until dissolved. Now you know when the gelatin mixture is ready when you see very minimum to no foam at the top of the pot like this. Now I had to move quick, so I poured the mixture in a heat-safe measuring cup and filled each cavity to the top. Now this recipe makes about 12 to 13 gummies using the HelloHi leaf mold. Now once you fill the cavities, let them air dry or place them in the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours. Now I left these on the counter for about 6 hours and let's see how they came out. And these, look how easy these are to remove from the molds. Now, do you see how the black cherry made these gummies deep red in color? Now, this is why I like using Kool-Aide. And I'll show you guys when I finish. I made some other gummies. You'll see them in the last picture. And they're like, that made them with juice. So they're very iridescent color. But anyway, these molds make the perfect size treats. Now look how solid the gummies came out. Now these are the same consistency of real gummies and not Jello. So after you get all your gummies on the mold, well, out of the molds, you have my favorite 4-ingredient gummies. Enjoy.
Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this whole video. Like I tell you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's take a look at these gummies. And I know you've seen them. Oh my God, they look so good. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Can't wait for you to see these. Now, just so you know, these molds, you can only buy them on HelloHighCooks.com. Now, if this video is blurred out for you, that means you need to check it on the Patreon page and the whole video will show. But thank you guys for sticking around and watching. Oh, let me taste it for you guys. Hold on. You guys like the, you always say you don't want the ones that have like the, how do I want to say it? Like these are the real, just tastes like a real gummy. And it's nice and thick. It's not like Jello, like that Jello consistency. See, it's like a actual gummy consistency. So you don't have to worry about that. But these are really good. I'm telling you, I know you guys don't like to use Kool-Aide, but if you can find some good flavors on Amazon, I'm telling you, I might even drop a link in my Amazon store for someone that has good flavors. But please use Kool-Aide. Please don't use juice. It gives them the more vibrant color, like I was saying. And it, for whatever reason, it just tastes better. It's not even about the sugar. You can add whatever sugar you want to the Kool-Aide. But yes, these are so good. I'm going to enjoy these. And I will see you guys on the next video.